Hey, this is Stjepan with Clear Online Video, and welcome to this tutorial on exploring the shot comparison and color match features released in Adobe Premiere CC 2018. This new set of tools allows you to compare the looks of two different shots across a sequence of shots and match colors while retaining skin tones with a single click. I'm a big fan of keeping things simple in post, yet I'm also capturing most footage these days with flat color profiles, which requires color grading. I'm really happy with the results of color grading flat footage, but it can be a time-consuming process. I'm excited because the Color Match panel offers a quick and easy-to-use tool set that can streamline the color grading workflow. Here I've got two different shots of an interview subject. The shots were recorded with two different cameras, two different lenses, and two different settings. Let's use the color match tools to make these look more consistent with each other. The options for color matching can be found in the Lumetri panel of the Color Workspace in Premiere. Make sure you've updated to the latest version of Premiere Pro to see these features. Choose the Color Wheels and Match menu to display these tools. Next, we'll select the Comparison View button at the very top of the window. This allows you to compare a reference image to another shot selected for color grading. You can scrub through your sequence in this timeline to use any image as a reference point. You can then navigate to a point in your project timeline to view the shots side by side. The clip you have selected will be the one that gets the actual color grading applied to it. One quick way to let Premiere do some of the work for you is to select the Apply Match option. Premiere will analyze the two images and get some of the basic groundwork done for you. By default, the tool uses face detection to match up skin tones. Now with any color grading, it can be a push-pull process, meaning there are still going to be some tweaks that you have to make in order to make things look their best. However, with a few simple clicks, I got a lot of work done by Premiere and have matched up skin tones with this workflow. You can further fine-tune the shadows, midtones, and highlights in the color wheels in this same panel. You can also adjust the lighting intensity with toggles next to each color wheel. Now back in the Program Monitor, there are some useful ways to view the split of your two images. You can choose to look at them with the vertical split by selecting that option, and you can even move the slider in the window to further adjust the view. You can also choose the horizontal split as a viewing option. All of these views can be extremely helpful when you're color grading different types of footage. The great thing about this tool is that it's an extension of the Lumetri color panel, so we can adjust other basic correction settings without leaving this window. You can open up the basic correction menu and further adjust other color and exposure options. I really like this style of color grading where you can keep everything in one easy-to-use panel that offers a lot of ways to view your adjustments, but also enhance things on a very detailed level. Give these tools a try in your next Premiere color grading project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials here on Streaming Media Producer.